Hi guys, in this video we will look at how to install the Vicrez Centa VR2 rear diffuser vz102138 for all 2016 to 2020 Chevrolet Camaros. This rear diffuser truly adds appeal and an aggressive look to the Chevy Camaro that people try so hard to achieve. The new modern aerodynamic design will give your Camaro that race-inspired look. It is manufactured with precision molding for an OEM fit and great ease of installation. Comes in matte black factory stock, ready to install. This diffuser can be purchased in two options, with or without the side fins. In this video, we will be installing the rear diffuser with the optional side fins. This installation will require some drilling, and having a second pair of hands will make this installation go smoother. First, do a test assembly to determine the position of each fin. The fins can be all spaced evenly or wider in the middle and slightly narrower on the sides. Make sure to test fit the main diffuser on your bumper to ensure proper fit. Next, use painter's tape to mark the individual fin positions. We will be mounting the fins with the provided hardware, screws, and nuts. After you've marked the individual fin positions, drill holes into each fin to install the provided hardware. Using the bracket hardware as a guide will help you to determine hole placement for drilling into the fins. Once you've drilled the holes, screw in the mounting brackets. Use the fin to determine where to drill the holes on the main part of the diffuser. You can use the drill to mark the positions. Once you've marked the positions, remove the fin and complete your drilling. Place your fin on the main section of the diffuser and use the provided screws and nuts to mount the fin in place. Once the desired fitting is in place, make sure all the screws and bolts are secure and tightened. After you've completed the drilling for one fin, you can use it as a template for the remaining fins. Continue to mount the hardware onto the remaining fins. Once you have mounted the hardware on each fin, repeat the same steps for mounting the remaining fins onto the main part of the diffuser. Secure the screws and nuts once everything is in the correct position. After you've completed the main section of the diffuser, you can start assembling the side diffusers. Follow the same procedure as the main diffuser, testing fitting the side diffusers and marking your positions to mount the hardware. After you've installed the hardware on the fin, mount it on the side diffuser main piece to determine your drilling holes. Continue to use the provided screws and nuts to mount the fin in place. Repeat the same steps for mounting the last fin onto the side diffuser. After you have assembled all the diffuser pieces, do a test fit onto the rear bumper. Having an additional pair of hands to help hold the diffuser in place during this part of the installation will make things go easier. Once you've determined the correct position to mount the diffuser, use the self-tapping screws to mount the diffuser onto the bumper. Make sure the diffuser is lined up. Take your time to ensure the correct position because you will be drilling into your bumper. We recommend that you mark the drilling positions on the diffuser to ensure that you have proper spacing and enough screws to hold the diffuser in place. Now that you've completed the installation of the main diffuser, you need to determine the correct positions for the side diffusers. Continue to mount the side diffusers onto the bumper with the self-tapping screws. Finally, complete your installation by mounting the remaining side diffuser onto the bumper. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more awesome videos, and for our newsletters, exclusive promotions, deals, and discounts sent to your inbox.